Hello, hi, lifers. And namhlanje we're turning a page. Namhlanje we're diving into the hip hop industry. No better than to do this whole segment. Nomdu who's immersed in this particular genre, loves and lives the hip hop sphere, if that's the right word. So today's guest is Sinikiwe Risky Cmjo Patla. He is a South African rapper born in the year 1998 in East London, the Eastern Cape province. He was raised by his grandmother with the younger brother. Risky fell in love with hip-hop in 2009 when he was on his lower grade at a school, being influenced by Spaza, Venek rap, and mostly American musical sounds. To say the least, he's grown into the industry. He's now building a name. He's now worked with good entertainers, worked with good brands as well. Risky Cmjo, welcome.
Hi, Eletu. This is Risky Cmjo.
For sure. So, just out of curiosity, right, Risky, say you were given an opportunity or given a platform to work on, and you are now given a task to come up with a show that has a vision. I mean, your vision, and whatnot. What would you bring to the table, and what would then the teachings or the values of that show you are bringing to the platform be, seeing that umuntu ohlala in the Eastern Cape was Mdantsane, what would your vision, what would your teachings be as that presenter?
You can call my show My Thoughts, My World, only because for a long time I've been trapped into my own thoughts, into my own world. Not trapped in as in like a negative thing, because being trapped in my own mind, it has helped me achieve more, talking my art, achieve more on saying things that I believe that they are worth saying, regardless of what anyone else is going to think about them or what anyone else is going to think about me. Because what I believe in is that talking this hip-hop culture is not cool only because we are sharing our personal information to the people. We are sharing our personal space with the people. I can be in my own space alone, but if I'm recording vocals and I'm sending them to the people as a final or full product of what I've been through, you know what I mean? It's already not cool, because people are gonna know things that I'm even insecure. I have insecurities about, because I'm human. I have some insecurities about stuff. But when it comes for me to go to the booth, I spread everything. I share everything. I share even my personal stuff. So that's why I'm gonna call my show My Thoughts, My World. Only because I trust myself enough, and I trust my world and my thoughts and my instincts also.
What is a Xhosa rap in 2024, and who are the A representatives that are pleased to our SA hip hop customs?
Xhosa rap in 2024 to me is being fully confident about your own culture, being fully understanding yourself well, and educating yourself more about where you're coming from and things you've gone through. You know what I mean? That's Xhosa rap in 2024. And A representatives that appeals to our SA hip hop consumers in 2024, based on the second question, Flash Ikumkani, and also the Kowela from Ekaelicha. Flash Ikumkani is from here, Eastern Cape, and also Bravo Leroux from Ekapa, Kaelicha.
Real talk segment. Which city does hip-hop work more better and effective analytically from your observation as a rapper, because we've seen these 3 cities, no ass kissing but honesty. Which city would you say is taking the 100% and which one is taking the 80%, or at least one we give it 60%, and state a valid reason in each rate? Emonti, Cape Town, Johannesburg.
Emonti, I'm gonna give hip hop Emonti 60%, and I'm gonna give Cape Town 80%, and I'm gonna give Johannesburg 100%. And my reason for me giving this type of percentages is only because Emonti, I believe we are the third or fourth ones to understand the culture well, only because there are festivals that are being done here, a few of them, but I don't believe that people out here, they are really used to the culture the way Johannesburg and Cape Town is used to the culture. That's why I'm gonna give Emonti 60%, because the culture is still growing out here, it's not already developed. And the second question, or the second city, Cape Town. In fact, the second city, Cape Town, I've gave Cape Town 80%, only because Cape Town is closer to developing its culture, because there are so many opportunities right there. Talking hip hop, because actually I'm doing hip hop, and also talking about the culture at large. You know what I mean? They are close to being developed. You know what I mean? But Johannesburg, I'm gonna give it 100, because the culture is already good. There's a lot of opportunities. There have been a lot of opportunities, like even way before, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna give Johannesburg like 100%, only because the culture right there is already developed, and it has already have grown to an international level.
And the last question would then be, what can we expect from Risky this year or in the future?
Delightness. By talking delightness, I'm talking the way people will think after experiencing whatever is going to happen to the show, after experiencing my performance, because I believe by being on stage, I'm delighting people. I'm making people come into their senses of like, you can do whatever thing you do and put 100% effort on it, only because my performances are showing 100% effort, and they are examples of the fact that you can do whatever you can do in life, and you can get whatever you want to get. That's if you are putting 100% effort. So expect confidence, expect self-respect, expect more of information about the Xhosa culture. Expect more information about what is happening and how I grew up. You know what I mean? Only because I think the knowledge is going to be helpful to the elders, and it's also going to be helpful to people that are starting hip hop or are starting every culture that they are doing, even if it's based on education, even if it's based academically, even if it's based on whatever things, on whatever talent, you know what I mean? So expect some dope sounds and some unique sounds. By stating all these things that I'm stating, I'm saying expect everything, because by putting me out and giving me a chance to perform, you are giving a chance to a person that is fully confident about himself, and also a person that can pull strings where people are afraid to pull strings at or on. You know what I mean? So thank you so much for interviewing me.